Buying an investment property with an LLC has numerous benefits for real estate investors. When the limited liability company or LLC owns the property, you can gain access to tax benefits and asset protection. It may also become easier for you to partner with other investors. However, setting up an LLC can be complicated and you may have a tough time securing a mortgage loan. The two main advantages of buying in a house with an LLC are limited liability protection and legal protection for your assets. These protections mean that you cannot be held personally liable for anything that happens at the property. Additionally, creditors cannot go after your personal assets if the LLC goes bankrupt or defaults on mortgage payments. Furthermore, buying an investment with an LLC has many more benefits for investors, including increased privacy. The LLC structure means that property ownership is only public knowledge for the LLC and not for your personal details. The tax benefits. LLCs offer tax breaks and deduction to property investors. The LLC can have the pass through tax structure where it pays taxes on profits, avoiding it double taxation. Limited liability protection. As an LLC owner, you're protected against liability for debts or being sued because of someone injuring themselves on the property. Only assets owned by the corporation are at risk and not your personal possessions. Asset protection. When you buy a house with an LLC, you protect your personal assets and those of other LLC members. This benefit is especially useful if you work in a profession or run a business with a greater risk of lawsuit or claims. Estate planning is another key item. You can transfer property ownership to family members, for example, by increasing their share of the individual LLC members. A clause in the operating agreement can also outline that the property should be passed to your children. Note that due to LLC business structure, you cannot live in a property you bought with a corporate entity. Doing so would mean you're piercing the corporate veil, which in turn makes you liable for corporate damages and puts your personal assets at risk. Don't do it. So, bigger point here is there that the investment property must stay separate from your personal use. Buying real estate in your own name may be more advantageous if you are a first time investor. This limits your initial costs, and there are fewer legal and financial hurdles to jump. However, as your portfolio grows and you gain experience, buying rental properties with an LLC is the best option to protect your assets and investments. An LLC can buy and own a home or any other commercial property type. You can use an LLC to buy rental, fix and flip, or commercial properties. Although filing an LLC is not complicated, more paperwork is involved than a standard house sale. Now, if you're in need of an experienced commercial real estate broker, I can be reached at 281 222 0433. Appreciate your time and have a good day.